Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Mind Your Money. My name is Tasha, and I am doing a series called Invest With Me, where I am walking you guys through our beginner portfolio. We have several different taxable brokerage accounts that we are investing in. And when I say we, I mean me and my husband. So we are going to walk you through our Robinhood today. And in future videos, probably in the month of January or maybe in February, we'll walk through our M1 Finance account. We'll walk through our Coinbase account because we are beginner investors in cryptocurrency as well. And we are going to share with you what we're doing for our IRA. So if you are interested in seeing how people invest their money as a beginner, if you are a low income earner, I can tell you right now, this video will encourage you and inspire you. So please click the like button, make sure you subscribe and tap the notification bell so you won't miss any of the upcoming videos for our Invest With Me series. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have my laptop right in front of me, and I'm going to share my screen with you so that you can see what I'm investing in today through Robinhood. Now, all of the links to Robinhood, M1 Finance, Coinbase are in the description box. There are codes there. If you sign up using any one of my codes for any one of those platforms, you would get either a free stock, you would get cash money, or you would get free crypto. So please make sure to use those codes before you sign up with any of these. And listen to this disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I am not giving investment advice on this channel. What I'm doing is sharing our journey and what I am doing to help build generational wealth for my family. So this is a beginner portfolio. This is for inspiration and entertainment purposes only. All right. And I am recording this while the market is open in the middle of the day on my lunch break. So please note that I have small children who you may hear incidentally if I'm not able to edit the noises and the interruptions out. So please forgive me if the video does seem a little jumpy. All right, before we get into the portfolio, I want to congratulate Dee from Premier Naturals for winning the giveaway last week for Financial Jeopardy. Make sure that you stay tuned throughout the video so you can get a chance to win $5 from me. I am sending it two ways, either Cash App or Zelle, and you must be following me on Instagram and you must be publicly subscribed, and there can only be one winner per giveaway. Okay. All right, let's jump into the portfolio. All right, so as you can see, we are down today as of the time I'm recording this video, which is just a few minutes before lunchtime. It is down by $14.51. So we're down less than 1%, which is not bad. But I like seeing this because our strategy is to buy low and hold. All right, that's the strategy. So I have a few of the stocks that are shown here that we own, and I'm going to see what is in the red. I've already planned what I want to invest in, but I want you to also see that we have $239.32 in buying power. We have $239.32 worth of buying power, and I have already set up all of the dividends that we receive here to be reinvested, so that way we won't have to be actively dealing with this after January. We can just kind of let those dividends start to help be reinvested and build up our portfolio. There are three assets I want to buy today. Pfizer, which is down. It looks like 2.65%. And we are really close to reaching our goal of 2 shares each. And this was just a minimal goal just because I felt like that, I just set a goal. And I said, if we can get 2 shares each, then we can just let the dividends reinvest and build up for us. So we are going to buy Pfizer. So I'm going to click on PFE. That is the ticker symbol. That's the quick way to find a stock or a company to invest in or to become part owner of. That's what that means. All right, so I'm buying in dollars because, again, we have $239. So I'm going to buy $80 worth of Pfizer today. And the reason why I'm using 80 is because I just divided the the amount of money that we have into the 3 stocks that I want to purchase today. And $80 just made sense. So we're going to get an estimated quantity of 1.45 shares of Pfizer. I've already reviewed the company. I know that I'm comfortable with making this investment, and I don't have to worry because it's down right now. I'd rather buy it low, and when it starts going back up, we won't have any issues. And for example, I'll show you right now where it's showing that it's down. This is just for the day. But if I expand this view to, let's say, 1 year, Pfizer is up. If you see here, it started January of last year here, and it's constantly going. There are some ups and downs, but you can see it's trending up. So if I just move my mouse right here to today, even though it's down, it's up 53%. I'm okay with that. So I'm going to buy review order, and it says you are placing a good for day market order to buy $80 worth of Pfizer based on the current market price of $55.14. So I'm going to click buy. And 1 second. Done. So Pfizer is purchased. And now we should have, let's see, maybe 3. Oh, we have 3 shares now. We have 3.341 shares of Pfizer. So next, I'm just going to go into the search bar, and I'm going to type in GDDY, which is the ticker symbol for GoDaddy. I use GoDaddy to host my website, TashaLovesLife.com. I've used them for the last almost 3 years, and I figured, why not invest in it? So just a quick overview. GoDaddy, oh my gosh, they engage in the provision of domain name registration and web hosting services. I'm just reading it right from the screen, y'all. It provides website building, hosting, and security tools. We are in a digital age, and it's growing rapidly. There's so many things coming out, like virtual reality, and just, it's amazing. So I enjoy using companies or investing into companies that I know are innovative and are moving more towards technology. Next time I do an invest with me through Robinhood, which will probably be somewhere like at the end of February, maybe March, we're going to talk about more consumer goods, because I've been hearing so much about that and I'm learning so much about this. So I just like, and I'm comfortable with investing into GoDaddy. Right now, they do not pay dividends, but I'm looking forward to growing this portfolio. So even though most of our investments through Robinhood are for dividend paying stocks that will one day replace our income when we, become financially independent and retire, I just want this one to help us with growth. So I am going to invest in that. And the let's go ahead and do it. So GoDaddy, this is going to get $79 with 32 cents, and I'll get 0.943 shares. And you are placing a good for day market order to buy $79 with 32 cents of GoDaddy for the current market price of $84 with 5 cents. So I'm going to click buy, and done. GoDaddy purchased. Now I'm going to go ahead back to the search bar, and I'm going to type in MSFT. That stands for Microsoft. MSFT is the ticker symbol. And Microsoft is down today by 2.17%. And we are going to purchase $80 worth of Microsoft today. I already have a position in Microsoft, which is why I want to increase my position, because I want to get us to 2 shares. Right now we have 1.275 shares. I'm not sure how much this will give me. It'll give me 0.2. So we'll get a little bit closer to 2 shares, not exactly at 2, but I'm still excited to increase my position here because Microsoft, again, more of in the technology sector. And of course, everyone knows Microsoft, everything from Word to Excel, Adobe, all those things, they just connected. And I'm going to hopefully see my dividends increase because they do pay a dividend yield. It is small, it's not a large one. But again, Microsoft is for growth, and then the little dividends that we do receive from them will be reinvested automatically through Robinhood. So I'm going to review order for this $80 purchase and click buy. And done. Microsoft order purchase for 0.24 shares. So now let's see if it'll update. Now we have 1.519 shares, so almost 1.5 shares, which I am happy about. So I'm going to click done. And that is going to be the end of that. I'm going to go back to my portfolio. And you can see that our buying power is now $0. We did all of the shopping for assets we needed to today, and that is that. So we're still down, but the market goes down and comes up. This is just a daily view of where we are. But if I click on 1 year, this is my portfolio in the past year. It is up, it is up 37%, almost 38%. So we're up $535 with 76 cents. That is why you don't get worried about the daily thing. I know some people don't recommend Robinhood. Some, personal finance gurus out there, they say Robinhood is not good for beginner investors. I find it very easy to use, and there is so much information that you can learn. But just keep in mind that the market does go up and down. It has fluctuations daily. And Robinhood, if you set your notifications on in the app, it will send you notifications when something's down and when something's up. And sometimes if you get those notifications that say, oh, this stock is down or this ETF is down, sometimes some people tend to get worried. But I want you to focus on the good things. When in doubt, zoom out. I've heard that somewhere. I don't want to just look at the day. I want to zoom out. And let's look at 3 months. In the last 3 months, we have increased by $386. That's 24% going up. And then I've had this account for a little over a year. So for all time, we are up 50%. Our portfolio is up 50%. So that is good. So make sure you do your research before you purchase any stocks or you purchase or invest. I would say purchase because you actually are purchasing assets, things that you will own that will increase your net worth. So make sure you do all of your research, do your due diligence. If you want to speak to a professional, someone who is licensed and well experienced in the area of investing in the stock market or in ETFs, bonds, anything like that, do your research and find someone that will help you. I will even link a few channels down below that can give you access to those people, because I am not a financial advisor. My background is in insurance, and that is what I'm just sharing our journey. So that is how we invested our $239 that we had. So I'm excited about that. And I have a giveaway for you. One person, again, can win $5 cash, either via Cash App or Zelle from me. And this is today's Finance Jeopardy answer. You have to write the question, okay, in the comment section. Make sure to use this hashtag, okay, so I can recognize who wants to be entered into the giveaway. I'm going to do like a random comment picker, and whoever gives the right answer first will win the $5. And you must be able to contact me via Instagram direct message so that I can verify that you are publicly subscribed, that you did put the right question in the comment section, and I know how you want me to send the $5. There's 2 ways. It's either Cash App or it's Zelle. So yeah, so here is the question. This is what you get if you liquidate everything you own. I'll say it again. This is what you get if you liquidate everything you own. All right, that is the answer. Put the question in the box. Don't forget to use this hashtag. And I want to thank you for being here today. I know these videos, the Invest With Me's, don't get a lot of views. It doesn't, YouTube saying, I guess, a lot of people don't want to see these types of videos. But this giveaway is for those I know who are supporting the channel and are, connected somehow to the journey. So I want to say thank you for being here. And I hope that you continue to mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives abundantly. Happy New Year once again. Have a great day. Bye for now.